Hello traders. Today is Friday 18th of December 2020 and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the results. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see, on the left hand side is the analysis and the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. This was the pretty straightforward, as you can see, on pound dollar. Beautiful price, nicely respected third time, and based on the momentum, if you look at bearish momentum, we had a beautiful pullback short trade this morning on pound dollar. Dollar yen, this was the pretty straightforward, as you can see, beautiful pullback based on the momentum. And pound yen, pretty straightforward, breakout long trade. And Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. So we had a beautiful short trade on Aussie dollar. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see we had this breakout. Afterwards, price developed another pattern. Beautiful breakout short trade. As soon as the price developed double top, it's a good sign. And as soon as the price broke on this orange EMA, we announced a breakout short trade. If you look at the bottom, momentum was developing a bearish, so beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the support level, we announced to bank some profit on pound dollar. Pound yen, this was the pretty straightforward. You can see a beautiful breakout short trade. And pound Swiss franc, beautiful, another one breakout short trade. As you can see, the price developed a double top at the resistance level. As soon as the price broken orange, you may look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and we took a short trade as soon as the price hit to the support level, which is the first target, fifth channel. Beautiful breakout short trade on pound Swiss franc. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the beautiful breakout based on the momentum. Long trade on euro pound. Dollar CAD, beautiful based on the momentum. We mentioned to look for pullback. As you can see, all this pullback we announced through live audio commentary and beautiful long trade. And as soon as the price hit to the first target, we announced to bank some profit on pound dollar CAD. Euro USD, this was a pretty straightforward breakout short trade, and pound dollar, beautiful. You can see price develop another pattern as mentioned on the analysis. Look for the technically we announced this pullback because the momentum was bearish, but we mentioned the safest trade would be the breakout. After the breakout, beautiful pullback short trade on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the breakout short trade. And euro pound, we already had this morning bank some profit. And again, as mentioned, based on at the New York session analysis, we announced the look pull back if the price is gonna respect. You can see the price nicely respected the support trend line. Another one long trade on euro pound. Dollar CAD, we already had pulled back this all these pullbacks, and then afterwards at the New York session, we announced to look for another pattern breakout, sideways market, and beautiful breakout long trade. Even the price broke on the major resistance level in the 4 hour, and as soon as the price hit to the first target, we announced to bank some profit on dollar CAD. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with a live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide forex coaching and training through this platform. Even if you are struggling, join our platform and see all that analysis and trade updates in real time and develop your trading skill in real time trading environment. Or even if you are experienced trader, most welcome to bank all that pips alongside with our professional trader. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. And I'll see you on Monday with another analysis. All the best.